안녕하세요 여러분. 저는 한국어 선생님 ahmad이라고 합니다. I'm your Korean language teacher Ahmed. Today our class is about chapter number 5 듣기 and 읽기. So let's start. In the first we have 읽기. Question number 1 and 2. Thom next. Thano is word. 와 with. 관계 있는 is relation with. causal object. 무엇 Imnika what is the related object with the question? Question is Chirwal ship oil. So this is actually Nalcha. Our answer is number 3. Nalcha is date. Question number 2. Thoyoil, Irioil. Thoyoil and Irioil is Chumal. Chumal is weekend. Now question number 3 and 4. Thom next. Chung is between. Mitchul is underlined. Chin bubun is the part. Maidnan better. Munjang sentence. Koro shipshio select. In number 1 there is Othjang. Ga is soyo. This is wrong because Othjang E is soyo. Because the consonant is at the last, so we can add E, not ga. Number 2, Chonan. Nongbu E animnida. This is also wrong because Chonan Nongbu ga. Animnida because last is vowel. Number 3, Chonan television ral phayo. This is also wrong because correct is Chonan televisional because in television there is consonant at the end. Number 4. 선생님은 한국 사람입니다. This is our correct answer because in 선생님 the last is consonant. We add an with the consonant. Question number 4. 주말에 일 하았어요. This is wrong because 하았어요 is not any word. Number 2. 어제 yesterday. Shinmun. Shinmun is newspaper. 읽었어요. 읽었어요 is I read newspaper yesterday. This is our correct answer. 작년에 한국에 아였어요. This is wrong because 아였어요 is not any word. Number 4. 소요일에 영화관에 갔어요. It's 가었어요 because this is wrong. Next is our question number 5. Thom next. Kul is paragraph and article. Ik is read. 내용 is content. 같은 것 is similar object. 코로 십시오 select. 한국에 in Korea. 달력 is calendar. 양력 is actually the western calendar and umryok is moon calendar. 함께 with together. 표시 is actually show. 합니다. In Korea the calendar shows the western and moon calendar at the same time. Havesa company. 와 and 학교 school. Iljong is schedules of company and school. Kukkyong-il is national holidays. Dang is etc. Yangryok is western calendar. Kijon is according to. Hamnida. In companies, schools and national holidays etc. are decided with the western calendar. Corona and Solnal is Korean New Year and Chuseok is Thanksgiving Day. These two are special days like Eid in our country. Gwa Khatan and Khatan is similar. Chontong is traditional. Special days. Umryok is moon calendar. Kijon according to Hamnida. So, and Solnal and Chuseok and similar special days are decided with moon calendar. Sangil is birthday. Kyung-woo, it is cause. Youngryok is Western calendar. Kijun is decided. Hanan Saram. Saram Ikko is the person also available. Omryok is moon. Kijon is coding. Hanan Saram. The people Samnida also have. So there are two type of persons in Korea. Some are celebrating their birthdays as Western calendar and some are celebrating their birthdays as moon calendar. Each harem like this Hanguke saw in Korea. Youngryok is Western and Umryok is moon calendar. Modu is together, all together. Sayung Themnida using. So in Korea, both calendars Umryok and Youngryok are used. So we are going to our answers. Hanguke in Korea, Umryok Thalyok is moon calendar. Taro is different, is Samnida. So in Korea, the moon calendar is different. No, this is not correct because they are Hamke Pyoshi. Hamke Pyoshi is together show in one calendar. Number 2, Havesa A in Korean companies, Iljong schedule, Umryok moon. Kijon is according to in Korean companies they run with the moon calendar. No, it's not correct. Number 3, Umryok moon calendar. Sangirel Kinyom is birthday anniversary. Saram to Isamnida is there available. So there are also some persons who are celebrating their birthdays at moon calendar. So this is our correct answer. Hanguke in Korea, Chontong in traditional. Myeongjol is special days. Youngryok, Western calendar. Kijon is according to Hamnida. In Korea, all the traditional special days are decided with the Western calendar. No, this is not correct. All the special days are decided with the moon calendar. So our answer is number 3. Now there is our 듣기, so let's start.
1번. 다음을 듣고 빈칸에 알맞은 것을 고르십시오.
Number 1, Tom next, 듣고, listen. 빈칸에 in the blanks, 알맞은 better, causal object, 고르십시오, select.
오늘은 목요일입니다.
오늘은 today 목요일입니다. So 목요일 is at number 2. 입니다. Today is 목요일, Thursday.
2번. 다음을 듣고 들은 내용과 관계 있는 그림을 고르십시오.
Tom next, 듣고, listen. 들은 내용과 is content, you listen. 관계 있는 is a relation, 그림 picture, 고르십시오, select.
내일이 몇 월 며칠이에요?
내일 몇 월 며칠이요? What is the date tomorrow?
10월 17일이에요.
10월 is October, 17일 is 17 date.
3번부터 4번까지 다음을 듣고 물음에 알맞은 대답을 고르십시오.
Number 3 and 4, Tom next, 듣고, listen. 물음에 is question, 알맞은 is better, 대답 answer, 고르십시오, select.
3번. 수요일에 일해요?
수요일에 일해요. You do work on Wednesday.
1. 네, 수요일이에요.
네, yes, 수요일이에요. This is Wednesday.
2. 네, 수요일에 일해요.
네, yes, 수요일에 일해요. I do work on Wednesday. So this is our answer.
3. 아니요, 수요일을 좋아해요.
아니요, no, 수요일, Wednesday 좋아해요. I like.
4. 아니요. 수요일에 일이 많아요.
아니요, 수요일에 on Wednesday 일이 work 많아요 very much. Now number 4.
4번. 오늘이 무슨 요일이에요?
오늘이 today 무슨 which 요일 the day of week 이에요. What is the day of week today?
1. 오늘입니다.
오늘입니다 is today.
2. 주말입니다.
주말입니다 is weekend.
3. 화요일입니다.
일입니다 is Tuesday.
4. 2월 9일입니다.
So this is our answer because he asked what is the day today. So 화요일입니다. This is our answer.
4. 2월 9일입니다.
Number 4. 2월 9일 is February 9. Question number 5.
5번. 두 사람은 무엇에 대해 말하고 있습니까?
Two 사람, two people. 무엇 is what they is about. 말하고 있습니까 is talking about. What two persons are talking about.
8월 7일이 무슨 요일이에요?
8월 7일. 8월 is 8 month. August 7일 7 date. 무슨 요일. What is the day of week입니까?
월요일이에요.
월요일이에요 is Monday. We are talking about 요일. 요일 is days of the week.